All right, guys. So this is where it gets a little bit more technical. Down for the trail. All right, guys. We are airing down for the trail, and we're gonna head on over into the bathroom first. Use a real bathroom for once in a while. And then we're gonna hit the trail, so They're over there just eating in their car, you know, just enjoying some food, and we're about to hit the trailhead, you know. All right, well, let's hit the trail. Oh, look at those guys, cute. First break of the day. And then we're gonna head back up there and head on all the way over into that, somewhere over there. FJ's doing good. New suspension is rocking real well. Feels nice. Feels real nice to have good suspension finally. Sexy rig. Sexy rig. Ooh, yeah, look at you down there. Ooh, you looking sexy. Sounds like we got some Jeeps on the road that we have to wait to come down from the hill. Who knows how long we have to wait for them, but we're parked like kind of off the side of the road and just kind of waiting. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You guys having fun on the trail?
Sure are.
Oh my god, look how cute she is there with the sun in her eyes. Oh, no, she's camera shy. Got a stock Jeep coming down. Got a Ford truck coming. Good job. You're gonna have a hard time clearing my tire though. Hey, quit barking. Right? Yeah, no problem. We made it. Beautiful trail. Beautiful views up there too. Wow, but check this out. This is the holy grail of the views. Wow. And look up there. Wow. Just beautiful.
We made it, bud!
Did we make it?
We made it!
Woohoo! Yeah! So beautiful. Gallagher Head Lake, but it's more like a little pond. I mean, I guess it's somewhat big, but
maybe it's bigger.
It's places like these that I love being able to go to, especially like four-wheel drive places, because most of the people that are going to come down here are going to be people that are cool, you want to hang out with. And I mean, that view, oh my gosh. I mean, talk about beautiful. And this is why I love this lifestyle. Like, how could you not love that? That is just gorgeous, amazing, beautiful, like, gorgeous. This is why I love my life. Let's go, guys. And that's where she'll go.